Okay, so we're done for the day. I traded NVIDIA today. I really like how I handled the trade, and I stopped when my trade was invalidated. So I'm really happy with the progress from yesterday, and I'm going to call it because I'm happy with the trades I did, and the trend looks like it's changing. So I'm going to listen to my advice from yesterday and stop. And really good day today. Let me show you the trades. Okay, let me just explain it. So this is NVIDIA, this is pre-market, the yellow tinge, which I've said in my videos before. We had a nice strong push up. This was a very good area of resistance and didn't quite hit that. We had a break below the 90 EMA, which is normally when I enter a trade like this, but because of this green trend line you see, I was very hesitant to enter a position at 90 EMA. I wanted another confirmation. I wanted to break below the VWAP and hold. So we broke below the VWAP here, then we had a nice candle. This green line here is a 1 hour trend line where we broke above, and this is a heavy area of resistance. So this trend line is the downtrend. So anything keeping above this for a long period of time would tell us that the price can move further upward. But we had a break below VWAP, which is this white line here, and then we had a strong candle. This is literally like perfect spot for this to reverse. So she reversed, but she bounced off this other trend line, which was the uptrend, beautifully here, which gave me really good confidence that this was going lower. So once we had this candle here where we were breaking down from the VWAP, a 1 minute close, I entered the position, either this red candle or this green candle. And when I did so, I was waiting for a 1 minute close above the 90 EMA. So we did not have a 1 minute close. We had rejection on VWAP and 90 EMA in this candle. We had pushed lower, then we had a push up, push lower, push up, and no 1 minute close above the 90 EMA. As well, we did not have a break above the VWAP. So this gave me really good confidence. When I saw this break down now from here, the shoulder, I was pretty confident. When I was in this trade, because I had conviction, I was using more size. So I was listening to the advice I had yesterday and was actually using more size in the good setups. With a take profit of the 200-day moving average, which is this green line, this is the 1 minute chart. We rode this, we covered one position here, re-entered when we broke below because there was a nice support along this neckline. We re-entered with cover at the 200-day for a very good trading day. Then, this is the beautiful part. This is what I did yesterday. So when we started recovering here, yesterday, I added more size and I had less size on the good setup. So I added more size on the bad setup. So this was a not as good setup as this. I entered on this candle, I believe, this red candle. I thought we were rejecting off the 20-day for a push lower again with a take profit of this line here, which was a good nice support. That did not happen. I entered that trade. This candle pushed up, and my stop loss was anything above this wick. And that happened, so I exited the trade. The very next candle, boo, shot right up. So I was happy I followed the plan there, and I was done for the day because I did use less size on that setup, which I'm very happy about. I followed my advice from yesterday. I don't want to continue to do that, and I'm done for the day. So this is a very good day. I'm going to chalk it up to a very good trading day. Thanks, guys.